Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Eternal End add-on on Minecraft. So here I am on my PS5. In order to do this, you will need to go to the store, and then for example I already have a marketplace pass, so it's a subscription, and after that you will see that you have Eternal End add-on here for free. So you're gonna open it up. And here, as you can see, you can download it and it's gonna be for free because I have a free trial subscription. And now we're gonna press download. Now it will start to download, and after that, you're gonna press activate add-on and create a new world, for example. Let's choose maybe creative, and let's create a new world. And create anyway. And now here you will have a Eternal End info book and also Eternal End settings, where you can press L2 and then it will open up the settings where you can choose like particle fog. I would suggest to use highest quality, of course, vanilla fog. Let's leave it on normal. Tree capitator, you can go ahead and enable it. After that, you will also have a mob spanning quantity, and you will have all of these settings like ambient biome sounds, biome particles, and biome enter message. You can choose action bar, subtitle, or chat. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to submit. And here is the inventory. And if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.